In 1972, a plane crashed into the Florida Everglades, killing 101 people. That should have been the end of the story, right? But 1 year later, on a completely different plane, passengers started seeing the dead pilots sitting in the seats. Not one person, not two, over 20 crew members and passengers saw them. Some even had full conversations with them before they vanished. This is the true story of Eastern Airline Flight 401, the most haunted plane in the aviation history. Back on December 29, 1972, Flight 401 was scheduled for a routine trip from New York to Florida. On board was 176 people, a mix of passengers and the crew, including Captain Robert and First Officer Albert, both highly experienced pilots with decades of flying under their belts. On paper, everything seemed perfectly normal. As the flight approached Florida, the crew noticed something unusual. The landing gear indicator showed that the nose gear might not be fully locked. The light for the landing gear showed the front wheel might not be locked. Captain Robert told about this to Captain Albert. He says, Albert, check the gear indicator again. We can't land until we are sure it's safe. First, Officer Albert replied, a bit tense but calm. Roger, Bob, let's stabilize the plane first. Autopilot on. We will troubleshoot from there. They followed standard procedure, but during the investigation, a critical mistake happened. The autopilot was accidentally disengaged. Neither pilot realized immediately, and the plane slowly began losing altitude over the Florida Everglades. The crew tried very hard to control the plane. The cockpit was full of tension as alarm kept beeping and the plane started to drop. The crew shouted over the radio to Miami Tower, asking for instructions while trying to keep the plane steady. Even with all their effort, Flight 401 crashed into the marshy Everglades. It was a sad accident. 101 people died, including both pilots. Many other passengers were badly hurt and barely survived the fall. The NTSB later said the crash happened mostly because of human mistakes. The pilots were so focused on fixing the landing gear that they did not notice the autopilot had turned off and the plane was going down. This accident shocked the aviation world and became a very sad event in the history. After this, stricter safety rules were made so pilots always stay alert during emergencies, even if the problem looks small. After the crash of Flight 401, the news spread everywhere and shocked people all around. The airline reused only some parts from the crashed plane in other aircraft, including Flight 318. People soon heard about it through crew talks, passengers, and aviation circles, and that's why at first the plane was almost empty. Many were afraid to board a plane that had parts from such tragic crash. But during busy holiday seasons, when the plane became full, that's when the strange and unsettling events reportedly started. Crew members and passengers started noticing strange, unexplainable events on the plane. Several reported seeing the ghost of Captain Robert and First Officer Albert, the very pilot who had died in Flight 401. It was not just a glimpse, they seemed almost real, as if they were trying to communicate a warning. One of the most disturbing incidents involved a passenger sitting in a seat wearing an oxygen mask with the face that was shockingly pale and white. Crew members tried to talk to him, but he suddenly vanished into the air. Later, when they checked the flight records, they discovered that the seat had belonged to someone who actually died in the Flight 401 crash. Imagine seeing someone thinking they are alive and then realizing they were one of the victims from years ago. It left the crew shaken and questioning everything. Then came the most famous oven reflection incident. Flight attendant Faye Weather was preparing meals for 180 passengers. She walked to the oven and saw something strange. A man's reflection in the oven window. The weirdest part, the figure could only be seen from a very specific angle, making it almost impossible to explain. She reported it to the flight engineer who saw it too. It was Don Repo, the Flight 401 engineer who had died in the crash. What made this story truly chilling was that later, other crew members saw the same reflection at the same time. This was not just one person imagination things, it was multiple witnesses experiencing the same straight sight together. That's why this story is so fascinating and considered one of the most haunted aviation tales ever. One of the most terrifying moments happened right in the cockpit. The crew said that suddenly the ghost of Captain Robert appeared as if he had stepped right into the cabin. He looked serious and was warning them about the problem with the plane, something that could put everyone in danger. The pilots and crew froze, unable to move, staring in shock at what they were seeing, and then almost immediately he vanished, leaving everyone shaken, their hearts racing, and questioning whether it had really happened or if it was just their imagination. These strange events were not just spooky tales, they really affected the crew's mental state. Some crew members were so unsettled that they quit their jobs, unable to handle the fear. Others turned to religious rituals or spiritual practices to feel safe and protected while working. What's interesting is that the fear was not about the ghosts hurting anyone directly. Instead, it was the worry that these unexplained events could be the warning of another crash, just like what had happened with the Flight 401. Eventually, one of the flight attendant who was very religious suggested using holy water to perform an exorcism on the plane. Safety of the passengers was the top priority, so the crew agreed. After performing the ritual, something remarkable happened. The hauntings stopped. No more ghostly figures, no reflections, and no warnings. The plane was finally able to continue flying without the strange disturbance. Even today, parts from Flight 401 are still being used in other planes, and the story has not faded. Some travelers claim to feel sudden chills, see shadows, or sense a strange presence on board. Aviation historians even call Flight 401 one of the most creepiest and most unforgettable stories in aviation history. Now, here's the fun question for you. If you saw a ghost warning you on a flight, what would you do? Drop your answers in the comments. And remember, whether you believe in ghosts or not, sometimes the dead might just be looking out of the living.